Hello guys,
Hello everyone.
sorry for this week video that we got a family sickness.
Yeah, we have been sick, the three of us. He's still sick. Luna also have been very bad, throwing up, vomiting for the very first time. So, and also me in and out. So we are just taking this time to rest and recover ourselves. It was such a bad week for us.
It is all around the Turkey right now, this sickness. So
Yeah, it's
the
an intestinal
yeah,
virus.
it is a general virus for everybody has it right now. So that's why we cannot focus on the video this week because we are trying to recover it.
Yeah, and also Luna is very attached to me, so I really cannot do anything, just stay with her. So, but we have a special content, right?
Yep.
In our Patreon page, in our Patreon community. If you guys want to check it out, you are welcome to join us. And it's Turkish style content. So if you guys want to join, here is the QR code and the link. Or Christmas is coming, and if you guys want to support us by buying us coffee, like always, here is the QR code and the link.
Thank you guys.
See you next week.
Thank you.
Bye bye.